All right, guys, I bet you already know that cloves are amazing when used correctly. But did you know they can also be harmful if used incorrectly? These nail-shaped wonders have traversed history, enchanting cuisines, freshening breath, and even alleviating pain with their medicinal prowess. Revered in both kitchens and traditional medicine cabinets, cloves are a powerhouse of antioxidants and nutrients, promising a myriad of health benefits from reducing inflammation to shielding against cancer. However, before you eagerly reach for the bottle of clove oil or sprinkle another pinch of this aromatic spice into your pot, there's a crucial aspect of cloves we often overlook. Prepare to be enlightened as we delve into the secrets and misconceptions surrounding this beloved spice. Many of us fall into the all-too-common trap of overusing or misunderstanding the true medicinal power of cloves. Today, we're setting the record straight because when it comes to cloves, ignorance can cost you in health, flavor, and overall wellness. Let's start with mistake number 1, overuse. Cloves are marvels of nature, packed with flavor and therapeutic compounds. Yet, this very potency can backfire when used excessively, causing digestive discomfort, stomach upset, and in severe cases, liver damage. So, you see how these little mistakes can cost you? Let's continue. It's a stark reminder that even nature's best gifts must be used in moderation. But how much is too much? The recommended daily intake for adults is up to 2 to 3 cloves, while clove oil should be limited to just a drop or two due to its concentrated nature. Balancing cloves in your culinary ventures is key. Their intense flavor pairs wonderfully with spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and cardamom, not only moderating their intensity, but also creating a symphony of flavors. This approach lets you enjoy the benefits of cloves without overindulging. Remember, unlocking the treasures of cloves lies in wielding their power with wisdom and restraint. Let's cherish and respect the potency of cloves, using them to enhance both our meals and our health. Next, let's dive into the second widespread mistake, misunderstanding the medicinal properties of cloves. For centuries, cloves have been celebrated in tales of miraculous health benefits. While it's true that cloves are a treasure trove of antioxidants, antimicrobial properties, and anti-inflammatory compounds, not all claims floating around the internet and traditional lore hold up under scientific scrutiny. Recent studies, such as one published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2021, have illuminated the true potential of cloves. This research confirms that cloves can indeed help reduce blood sugar levels and improve oral health thanks to their antimicrobial properties. However, the myth that cloves can cure major diseases like cancer remains unsupported by conclusive scientific evidence. It's crucial to distinguish between substantiated benefits and myths. For instance, while cloves can aid in digestion and exhibit antioxidant properties that protect against aging and diseases like heart disease, they are not a standalone cure for serious medical conditions. The belief that simply consuming cloves can reverse chronic diseases is not only misleading, but potentially dangerous. This brings us to a vital piece of advice. Never rely solely on cloves or any single remedy for treating serious health conditions. While integrating cloves into your diet can contribute to a healthier lifestyle, it's imperative to consult healthcare professionals for diagnosis and treatment. Self-medicating with cloves, ignoring the complexity of diseases, could lead you down a path of health risks rather than recovery. In embracing the real benefits of cloves, let's lean on verified science and professional guidance, ensuring that our journey towards wellness is both informed and safe. Venturing into the third common pitfall, improper storage. The essence of cloves, rich in aroma and benefits, is a treasure that is also vulnerable. When not stored correctly, cloves can quickly lose their potent essence, transforming from a vibrant spice to a dull shadow of their former selves. Improper storage not only diminishes their potency, but also leads to spoilage, making them a haven for mold and bacteria. The secret to preserving cloves lies in understanding the principles of optimal storage to maintain their freshness and efficacy. Cloves should be kept in a tightly sealed glass jar, far from the degrading forces of heat, moisture, and sunlight. A cool, dark pantry or kitchen cabinet is the ideal sanctuary for cloves, shielding them from elements that hasten their decline. The decision between using whole or ground cloves is crucial, as it significantly impacts the flavor and medicinal properties of the spice. Whole cloves retain their essence and therapeutic benefits for a much longer period compared to ground cloves. If you opt for ground cloves, it's essential to keep in mind that their shelf life is considerably shorter, necessitating more rapid use to capture their full potential. But how can one discern when cloves have gone past their prime? The telltale signs are not always glaring. Begin with the scent. Fresh cloves boast a strong, spicy aroma. If your cloves have become odorless or their scent has significantly weakened, it's a clear indicator of lost potency. Visually, any signs of mold or moisture within the storage container are red flags signaling that the cloves are no longer suitable for use. In nurturing the longevity of cloves, the wisdom of proper storage transforms them from a fleeting spice to a lasting companion in your culinary and medicinal ventures. Let this knowledge guide you, ensuring every pinch of clove offers its full burst of flavor and health benefits. And before we dive into the next mistake, if this video has been helpful to you so far, a subscribe would mean a lot to us. It helps us know we're building an audience and creating helpful content for people. Now, let's get back with mistake 4. Ignoring culinary uses, often relegated to the back corners of spice cabinets and used sparingly in holiday dishes or traditional remedies, cloves hold a culinary potential far beyond these occasional appearances. This underutilization overlooks the remarkable ability of cloves to transform and elevate everyday cooking with their warm, intense flavor profile. Venturing beyond the traditional, cloves can be the secret ingredient in a myriad of dishes. For instance, a single clove can revolutionize a pot of chili, lending a subtle depth that complements its rich, hearty flavors. Or imagine starting your morning with a pinch of ground cloves sprinkled over oatmeal, paired with cinnamon and apple, for a breakfast that warms and energizes. Here are some quick, creative ways to incorporate cloves into your daily meals. 1. Spiced coffee or tea. Add a clove or two to your coffee grounds or tea leaves for a comforting spiced beverage. 2. Infused honey. Gently heat honey with a few cloves, allowing it to infuse for a sweet drizzle perfect for bread, desserts, or teas. 3. Roasted vegetables. Elevate the taste of roasted root vegetables by adding whole cloves to the mix. They impart a unique warm flavor that complements the natural sweetness of the veggies. When used judiciously, cloves can significantly enhance the flavor of dishes. Their strong, pungent taste means a little goes a long way, so start with a small amount and adjust to preference. The key to culinary innovation with cloves lies in balancing their intensity with other flavors, ensuring they complement rather than overpower. By broadening our culinary horizons with cloves, we not only diversify our palates, but also enrich our meals with the health benefits this spice has to offer. Let the exploration of cloves in the kitchen lead you to discover new favorite recipes, turning every meal into an adventure in flavor. Mistake number 5. Using cloves without understanding interactions. While cloves are celebrated for their myriad health benefits, ranging from antimicrobial properties to aiding in digestion, it's paramount to recognize that they are not free from potential interactions. These interactions can sometimes pose risks, especially for individuals on certain medications or with specific health conditions. Cloves contain eugenol, a powerful compound that, while beneficial, can interact with medications, particularly those that thin the blood or regulate blood sugar levels. For individuals taking anticoagulants such as warfarin or medications for diabetes, the potent blood thinning and glucose-lowering effects of cloves could amplify the medication's impact, leading to complications. Moreover, the potent nature of cloves means they can also affect the liver, a consideration for those with liver conditions or those taking medication metabolized by the liver. Eugenol has been observed to influence liver function, necessitating caution and consultation with a healthcare provider before incorporating cloves into the diet in medicinal quantities. Now we turn to you, our viewers. What are your experiences with cloves? Have you discovered any tips or recipes that have elevated your dishes or contributed to your well-being? Share your stories in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and expand our collective wisdom on this powerful spice. If you found this journey through the spicy world of cloves enlightening and enjoyable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support fuels our passion to delve into more topics, uncovering the mysteries and sharing the knowledge that makes our lives richer and fuller. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep savoring the flavors and wisdom that spices like cloves bring to our lives.